Stim Import company has existed for more than 25 years and is located in Loznica. It produces personal protective equipment, LTZ equipment, called C Profession Industrial, equipment and gear for protection at work. Manufacturing plant is equipped with modern technological stitching, embroidery, and other clothing activities equipment. Stim Import is capable of producing 5,000 garments per month. Furthermore, it can achieve up to 15,000 applications of emblem embroidery on a monthly basis, about 25,000 meters when it comes to stitching. Stim Import also finds engineering of textiles and fabrics very important. So in addition to basic materials, cotton and polyamide, they also use waterproof, fire-resistant, oil-resistant and acid-resistant materials.